So I've picked up some Evapo-Rust for the first time, so I want to try out an experiment with it, how well it can get the rust off the tools that I have. And this is about 24 hours later. Most of the rust is gone. Yeah, and that was only 24 hours. Basically, it's like straight up steel, what's left. Most of the rust is just gone, and it's just straight up steel here. It even has markings, but can't really tell. Gotta clean a little more on it. This one says Billings 721. This one says Lloyd. I'll give it a better clean. Maybe restore it completely. Yeah?
Tak.
Widzę, że nie ma.